very big welcome along to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear right here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for joining us, and on today's video we're going to be showing you this great CL site. It's around about 2 miles to the north of Weymouth. Also, we've got some lovely drone footage coming up for you, and as well as all of that, we've got a great special offer coming up. This video for you, it was taken last October, so stay till the end and we'll see you later.
This was never meant to happen, you and me, you and me. I can't help it.
And to show us around the campsite, Stu Bear is going to take us round, and Teresa, she's going to take us on a cycle ride down to Weymouth.
Well, we survived the storm last night down here, just near Weymouth. Great little CL site. And this one, it's open all year because they've got some hard standing. So as you can see, definitely the grass is an absolute no-go at the moment because the rain that came down yesterday was absolutely horrendous. A big storm was going through, but and it's still not finished. But hey, we're going to go for a mosey round on the bikes, go down to Weymouth, and the forecast is not good at all for the next few days, but it's extremely warm. It's at about 18 degrees. It's the what is it, 19th of October, and as you can see though, it's very grey looking. But hey, whatever, we'll endeavour to get out there and have a good time.
Real love might be
Well, a big thank you for watching the video today, and of course don't forget to give it a subscribe, give it a like, and all that other good stuff that you do. And also, hey, we better mention that we've got a Facebook group as well, and that's called the Motorhome Sites and Stopovers, and that's becoming very popular, so join us on there. But keep on watching all of the great videos we have right here on the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. And together with all of that, hey, coming up right now, Stu Bear is going to tell us all about the tea and coffee, so take it away.
Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear.